Hey builders, this is Van. Today we got a really exciting update. Today we're releasing a early access release to our Harbor console. This is our Harbor console, which is built for builders and developers to start accessing the Harbor platform and really control your Harbor controller board and towers in your Sandbox environment much easier. So let's dive in and show you how it works. So to log into your console, you first need to make sure you have your Harbor Connect login. So once you have your, that's the same login you use for setting a tower ID on your Harbor controller board and doing any type of other work on your Harbor controller board. If you need one of those logins, reach out to us on the Harbor team and we'll get you set up. Next, what you need to do is log into your console. So if you go to the URL console.sandbox.harborlockers.com, you get directed to the log page here. Hit sign in. Once you're logged in, you land onto our Harbor console dashboard home screen. You'll see a link to our docs, a quick link to our weekly build hour on Thursdays at 12 p.m. Pacific time, to our client libraries hosted on GitHub. Then on the left, you have also additional quick links, including our online store where you can purchase Harbor items and our controller board, our change logs where you can view all of our latest releases, our upcoming forums, a support ticket, and our platform status. But the thing that is really exciting I really want to show today is our locker configuration. Again, this is early access, but I really want to make this video and show you how it works to make all you easier to start building. So what you want to do is click Towers. Once you get to the towers, you can see all your towers that have been configured and assigned to you. Most likely you have one or two of them here. As you see, I got a little more towers I have on my side. So here you can see on the left your tower ID. These are the tower IDs you use to configure your tower. The tower name, the system ID and location and status and total number of lockers at that tower. So these are really quick and handy for you to easily reference your tower ID, but the really cool things that really comes up is this reset tower events. So say if you're working on the controller board and for some reason your events get out of sync, all you need to do now is hit reset tower events button here. These are reset all the server events, do a factory reset on that controller board, reconfigure it, all your events are now cleaned up. Next really big feature that's really common for developers is a release lockers button here. What this does when you're actually doing lockers, say if you got locker door 1, locker 2, locker 3, and they get stuck in the occupied or rented or in use status, you can release them all to get them all reset back to available locker status. This is really handy when you're integrating that Harbor SDK, when you're still going through the full flow to have it release lockers. This lets you release those lockers instantly instead of reaching out to our support team, which you've done in the past. So again, major improvement from our Harbor dev team, super exciting. So one click button, click that, and release all your locker doors back to available. If you click view, this is another awesome view that you can do as you're developing to see the locker change states as you use the Harbor API and SDK. As you can see, all these doors are available. You can see the door sizes. In addition, you see the locker states here on the drop down. As you're working through the journey of integrating that Harbor SDK and API, you can really see your statuses change in real time. This really makes sure you're integrating the endpoints in smoothly and correctly at the right time. And this gives you nice, quick, real-time visibility to see the locker status as it changes. But also, you can change it back to available. So say if you get it in occupied state and you want to move it back to available, just click available. Easy as that. And it goes back and forth between states. So again, we have a quick, if you ever do change these states here, make sure to reset those events as well and get them resynced up on the board. Again, this is an early access preview to our Harbor console. Today is just showing a quick video of what it can do. But let us know any feedback as we keep deploying new updates to it over the upcoming time here. So thanks again and looking forward to what you're building here on Harbor. Bye.